Hello, good evening. We are here to present our project. First of all, it is project for data programming, and our topic is cryptocurrency analysis and web development. We work in a four people of group. This is our first table of content. First, I will describe about team and and their roles. After that, I will tell the research question in which research question we work on, and after that, I will describe about project summary, like what we did in a project and how we are gonna, how we did front end, back end, and that kind of thing. After that, that is a language and tool. In that, we will describe which language we used and which tool we used for developing this web app. And there is a database like where we store our data which is created in the web application. And last is fit gap analysis. So first of all, I will introduce you to my teammates. Yeah, first, it's me, Megha Patel, and I'm a project manager. Second, it's Ishmeet Kaur, who is working as a developer. And there is Amanpreet Kaur, who is a business analyst, and Tisha Arora, she is data analyst. From here, my group member Tisha Arora will handle.
Okay, so the main thing, which is the project requirement, includes that there's a corporation named XYZ who is looking for the features of the live trends which are going on in cryptocurrency marketplace virtually. Live trends means the data gets updated every 24 hours. So we are the right fit for them because we manage and we have the ideal combination of analytical and technical experience as well. Our main objective is to build a web application that can show the real-time Bitcoin market data that has been received from the Coinbase, which is an open application for databases. We make sure to have a scheduled uh, batch task updates that every 24 hours. It gets updated every 24 hours. Next slide, please. Okay, so the main project summary that what we have did in a flow chart is first of all we fetch the data that we did from the Coinbase application. Then we store the data in MongoDB database. Then in order to display it, we made a web application using Visual Code. Then we built an API for data access. And at the end, we conducted fit gap analysis. From here, Amanpreet will take the access.
Wait, can you see the screen? You are not audible. Do you
Moment.
mind?
I'm audible now.
Yes, you are. Go ahead.
Okay, please. So I'm going to give brief description of the application. So firstly, the MongoDB cluster is that web application that hosts the uh, uh, Coinbase API. So we the data here the data is updated every 24 hours to schedule a batch operation. So we have also used Visual Code for the development of this program and HTML for the front end. We have used Python libraries to visualize Bitcoin trends and giving users to an engaging dashboard. Next slide, please. So we have made some research questions. So first one is, what are the key trends in Bitcoin prices over time, and which cryptocurrencies consistently rank among the most expensive, and what are the potential risks and opportunities investors based on the price trends of these cryptocurrencies. Next slide. So we have used some languages and tools. We have used Python, HTML, and we have used MongoDB, Coinbase, and GitHub softwares. So the next slide is going to be represented by Ishmael.
So hi everyone, myself is Shmeet Kaur. So basically these tools were used for like Python, HTML, MongoDB. MongoDB we used for storing the data and Coinbase from where we got the cryptocurrency live data. GitHub we are going to use for uploading our link and uploading our project. And we use Python and HTML for our front end and back end purposes. And what are the steps involved? Basically, I will try to cover up in a hurry because we have only a few minutes left and we need to show our live representation as well. So for the first step, we basically use Python to retrieve current cryptocurrency, and sorry. So basically, we used Python to retrieve current cryptocurrency data from the Coinbase API, and then the data was then stored in MongoDB Atlas cloud database. We developed a Flask web application to display this data, and then a batch process was implemented in Python to update the database every 24 hours, which was requirement of our project. And we created an API in Flask to provide endpoints for the accessing the data. And then finally, we visualize the cryptocurrency data using Python libraries like Matplotlib. And the database, for the database, for data storage, we employed MongoDB, as I've already mentioned before, a cloud database. And that this database was chosen for its scalability and ability to handle large and unstructured data sets. And we used MongoDB for database interaction and the MongoDB Atlas UI for data management. And from here, I would like to present our project first. So here, I'd just like to stop it first because we were already using it. Now I'm going to start debugging. Here it will show the website which we created just for a few more seconds. Yeah, here it is open. Oh, it's open twice. Just a second. Yes. So this is how our website looks like. This is what we created. It's if we are looking for any particular key, suppose if I'm looking for ET, so I can just search it and look for all the current prices. And if I were to go back to home, this is the button. Here I can see the representation, what we created, the charts option. And it updates every 24 hours as it is mentioned in that. And it changes according to the currency prices and every ups and downs over the cryptocurrencies. And the like this chart shows the most expensive cryptocurrencies top five one, and this is the Bitcoin prices over the time. This is how we chose our research questions on the visualization. This is how we did our visualization for the research questions, like what are the key trends in Bitcoin prices, which cryptocurrency currently consistently rank among top five, the most common expensive one, and what potential risk opportunities for investors based on the price trends. This is what it is based on. And then after that, so this is from here okay. I just no, yeah. This is our cluster. This is here on MongoDB. We created our cluster, and then we fetched our database over here, connected it to that, and then from here we got our API, the data API. This is what we used, and here we can see our API key and its secret key as well. It's all there in the project file, which we are going to upload on our portal. And now I would like to continue with the fit gap analysis, which we did for the last time. So basically we started like we did identify some gaps in our project. So one gap was in the area of real-time updates, like while our application updates every 24 hours. So offering real-time updates could enhance the system's functionality. And another gap was the lack of basically advanced filtering options and analytical tools, which could be areas for future improvements. And finally, further scalability and performance testings could be beneficial to ensure the applications handles increased data load and user traffic. So to conclude, basically, I would just like to say to sum up our project, we were able to fetch, store, display, and analyze real-time cryptocurrency data. We identified some areas for future improvements, such as real-time updates and advanced analytics overall. And overall, basically, this project provided valuable insight into the cryptocurrency trends and potential risks, opportunities, and for the investors. So that's how we are the right fit for the client. That's what they were looking for. Thank you so much. That's it from our side.